A baby's first tooth can be both exciting and anxiety-inducing for parents. That's why a local dentist has penned a new kids' book to help parents and kids alike learn about baby teeth and the importance of oral health. The book is called My 20 Little Teeth, and it's available in bookstores now. Dr. Joy Nemi joins me in studio. I have to say congratulations to you for penning this children's book here. Who do we have here on the cover?
This is my daughter, Rhea. She was the inspiration for the book, yes.
Tell us about what's in the book and the information and the story that you want to tell for parents and kids.
Well, really the book kind of was inspired by my patients, my daughter, and my love for dental education. So patients all the time ask me, when can they expect their child to get their first tooth and which teeth are to follow? So that's what sparked the idea. And then while I was writing this book, my daughter was going through her own tooth eruption journey. So it was really exciting to be experiencing it with the book and with my daughter.
Oh, that's wonderful. My 20 Little Teeth, available at bookstores now. And I just love that you've captured the essence of the book right here on the cover, which is so wonderful. And you're really getting into oral health and oral education in a way that kids can understand as well. Talk about why it was important for you to educate kids as well with oral health.
Dental education is extremely important. So it's been shown multiple times in the research that oral health and overall health are tightly connected. So a healthier mouth means a healthier body. So if we can educate children and empower them at a young age to understand and have the knowledge they need to keep a healthy mouth, then they'll likely have a healthier body. And when you have a healthy mouth and a healthy body, your life is more, successful and prosperous, and things are just better that way.
You know, in the introduction, I mentioned that, baby's first tooth can be exciting for parents, but also anxiety-inducing. Why is that some parents can become a bit anxious when you see that first tooth arrive?
Well, there's multiple things. First of all, parents are sometimes a little unsure if the teeth are erupting in the correct order. So in the book, I did go through and let parents know that, a lot of kids do follow the textbook order of tooth eruption, but a lot of kids don't. Even my own daughter didn't follow the tooth eruption order. So it's okay if you don't follow, if you have a first tooth and it's on the top, not on the bottom.
There you go.
And also, you want to let parents know that even when that first tooth comes out, you do want to start brushing their teeth right from the start, not only to prevent cavities, but also to create a habit. Because if you're brushing your kids' teeth twice a day from when they're 6 months old, then it's part of life. It's not a chore.
What do you find when you've got a teeny little patient in your chair, and do you find that they become quite relaxed with your approach, and then they really take to that education that you're trying to convey?
Yeah, so it does take multiple visits. We always say that you want to have your child see the dentist within the first year of their life, but oftentimes those first few appointments are just for fun, just so that they can get to know the dentist, get to know the chair, the instruments, everything we use. So it's just kind of like a fun visit. And we oftentimes see by the third or fourth visit, they love coming and they want to be in the chair and they want to get their teeth cleaned. So it's all about getting a child used to oral health and dentistry and hygiene, so that when they're older, again, it's just a part of their life and not some kind of a chore or a nuisance in their daytime, routine.
Yeah. I know that you must be so busy. You have a little one, you have your practice, and now you have your first book. Are we going to see some more subsequent books?
That's the hope. I mean, my goal really doing this book is, like I said, I absolutely love educating patients. I do it every day in the clinic, and I want to go beyond just the clinic. And that's the goal with this book, is to educate people on how important it is to maintain a healthy mouth, to, again, have a healthier overall body and lifestyle.
The book is called My 20 Little Teeth, by dentist and author Dr. Joy Nemi. The book is available at bookstores now. Congratulations to you again. I just love it. There's your little one right there on the cover. Thank you so much for stopping by. We all need this education on taking care of our teeth. We appreciate you coming by today.